How to fix Instagram reply option not showing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can fix if the reply option isn't showing up on your Instagram chat. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now, what the issue over here is that you have to go ahead and simply open the Instagram app. So I will open the Instagram app, and let's say that I'll go to my chat screen right over here. Once you go to your chat screen, let me go ahead and simply open any of the chats. For example, if you want to reply to a message, you could simply go ahead and type your message on this box. But if you wanted to reply to a specific message, which the sender has sent on this list, what you could do is simply actually long press and hold on it. And at the bottom, you'll be able to find this option reply. However, let's say that you're not being able to press that and reply it. The other thing you could also do is from that particular message, you could simply swipe right. So as in this case, you can see when you swipe right, you can see replying to that particular message. So you could go ahead and simply swipe right for the other message as well. And this is one of the alternative solutions. And if this didn't work for you, you also want to keep in mind that if you're chatting with a particular person on Instagram on a disappearing mode or on the vanish mode, let's say for example, if you're chatting with someone on vanish mode, you will not be able to reply to a specific message. This is simply a limitation from the Instagram app itself. Let's say that you're actually on vanish mode like this and you're trying to reply to that specific message, you will not be able to do so because Instagram has disabled that feature within the vanish mode. If you're on vanish mode, you will not be able to reply to a specific message. So keep that in your mind as well. And if that is not the case, then we're going to run through some of the checks. The very first thing we will do is we will actually go ahead and open our Google Play Store or your App Store, and in the search box I will simply go ahead and then type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram, if you see an update button, as in this case you can see, if you see an update button there, tap on it in order to update Instagram app to the latest version. What this does is that it is basically going to fix most of the issues which you have facing within the Instagram app. If the updating didn't work for you, what you could also do is you could try to uninstall and then reinstall the app. Instead of going through all the process of offloading and clearing the cache, the easiest and simple solution is to uninstall and then reinstall the application, and hopefully that would have also fixed the issue. We hope one of these solutions may have worked for you. If it did work for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.